Our top story this afternoon, there are multiple promising COVID vaccines right now all around the world just waiting for approval for distribution. Just within the last few days, we learned of Moderna's success. That vaccine trial is being led by researchers just down the road at Vanderbilt. Though Pfizer made headlines first, the Moderna vaccine may be a little bit more of a realistic option. I spoke with the doctor leading that clinical trial at Vanderbilt to learn the ins and outs of this vaccine compared to the others. It all comes down to what's going in your body. Early on in this pandemic, as the world shut down and coronavirus spread, for Vanderbilt researchers, the goal wasn't to prevent infection. It was to prevent illness.
How do you protect grandma? How do you protect the 80-year-old with lung disease from dying? Even if they get infected, maybe they'll have a milder illness. So that's how the vaccine trial was designed.
Dr. Spiros Callums, one of those researchers, says preventing infection would be a perk. It worked for both. Right now, the vaccine is considered 94.5% effective. Now, that could change. The trial only started 3 months ago in August.
At least so far in the pandemic, it doesn't have nearly as many changes as even influenza has. Okay, so that doesn't mean it can't change or mutate as time goes on. So that was a benefit when you're making the vaccine.
This graphic shows different types of vaccines in trials for COVID-19. The Moderna and Pfizer formulas are the one in the upper left corner of your screen.
I'm not giving you a version of the coronavirus. This is not a weakened version of it. We certainly have some vaccines that are weakened versions of the actual virus or whatever you're vaccinating against. This is not one of them.
This vaccine gives you a piece of the genetic material, or RNA. Your cells turn it into a protein of the coronavirus. Then, your body recognizes it's unfamiliar and creates an antibody against it. The RNA eventually goes away, but the immune response sticks around.
There are some vaccines that make you feel crummy, and some of the ones that we've tested, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're making a good immune response. But in this case, I think that's what it means.
Even with the vaccine created, the trial will continue. Researchers will monitor for long-term side effects, though Dr. Callums doesn't expect any.
When did I know we were onto something? Well, when Pfizer released its results a couple of weeks ago, and they said, hey, Moderna vaccine is very much like the Pfizer vaccine.
Except for distribution. The Pfizer vaccine requires a special freezer that most doctors' offices and pharmacies don't have. The company is planning to ship those freezers out.
I think it'll work for our country, but what about other countries? It'll be more difficult, right? I mean, this is a worldwide problem.
The Moderna vaccine doesn't require any of that. It can last 30 days in a regular freezer and several hours at room temperature. For researchers at Vanderbilt, this is a win. Now, both vaccines do require 2 doses spaced a few weeks apart. We're told early distribution should begin as soon as next month for those at highest risk. Widespread distribution can be expected in the spring.